Hey everyone! Have you ever pulled off something that seemed impossible at first? Maybe you organized a school fundraiser or managed to get a group project done when half your team disappeared? Congratulations! You've already done project management. Here's what nobody tells you. Those skills you're using to juggle school, work, and life right now can make you incredibly valuable to any employer. Whether you're heading to college, starting an apprenticeship, or jumping straight into the workforce, mastering project management will set you apart. Every job involves projects. The HVAC technician coordinating with electricians, the medical assistant managing patient schedules, the automotive tech organizing parts delivery with repair timelines. Companies are desperate to hire people who can stay organized, meet deadlines, and solve problems without constant supervision. In construction, project managers make sure the foundation crew doesn't show up the same day as the roofing team. That would be a disaster. In healthcare, someone coordinates lab results and doctor appointments so patients get seamless care. Even in retail, managing inventory and staff schedules requires serious project management skills. Want to start building these skills right now? Here's what actually works. First, write down exactly what you're trying to accomplish and when it needs to be done. Most people skip this step and wonder why they feel overwhelmed. Second, break big tasks into smaller pieces. Instead of finish my certification portfolio, try complete safety module, then document 3 lab experiences, then get instructor review. Your brain loves checking things off lists. Third, always add extra time to your estimates. If you think something will take 2 hours, plan for 3. Real talk, unexpected stuff always happens. The pros know this and plan accordingly. Here's where it gets cool. AI can help you with this. Use ChatGPT to help break down complex projects into steps. Just remember, AI is a tool to make you more efficient, not to do your thinking for you. Start practicing with projects that matter to you. Maybe organizing a gaming tournament or coordinating a fundraiser. Document what works and what doesn't. This becomes your personal playbook. The biggest mistake people make? They don't write anything down. They keep everything in their heads and feel stressed. Professional project managers know that successful projects start with clear documentation, even if it's just a simple list on your phone. Whether you're heading into welding, nursing, IT, business, or any other field, these skills will make you the person everyone wants on their team. You'll be the one who gets promoted and becomes indispensable. So here's my challenge. Pick one project in your life right now and manage it like a pro. Write down the goal, break it into steps, set realistic deadlines, and track your progress. Remember, you're not just learning technical skills. You're developing leadership abilities that will define your entire career. Project management isn't just about managing projects. It's about managing your future.